सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. McLeod Russell India Limited informed the stock exchanges that the NCLT, New Delhi, dismissed the restoration application filed by Techno Electric and Engineering Company Limited, financial creditor, seeking restoration of a case against the company for an alleged default of 30 crore. The application was withdrawn after the corporate debtor discharged its liability to the creditors through a third party, Lightbeam Holdings Private Limited. Tattva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited has received an export order worth $3,555,000 US, 29.95 crore Indian rupees, for specialty chemicals under the pharma and agro intermediates and specialty chemicals category. The order is from an international client and is to be delivered in November/December 2025. Goldtime International Limited has received export orders worth 80 crore for lab-grown diamond jewelry. The orders are from international clients and are expected to be fulfilled by July 8, 2025. Power and Instrumentation, Gujarat, Limited, PIGL, has received a work order worth 21 crore 40,86,042 rupees, including GST, from Naiti Engineering and Construction Private Limited. The order is for the design, supply, installation, testing, commissioning, and client handover of a power supply system electrical work at Udaipur Air Terminal, Rajasthan. The project is expected to be completed within 6 months from the effective date. Shelter Pharma Limited has secured an order worth $138,075 from Taha Drugs and Chemicals Company Limited, an international entity based in Sudan, for the supply of nutraceutical capsules and tablets. The order is to be executed within 2 months. This disclosure is pursuant to Regulation 30 of the SEBI, Listing Obligation and Disclosure Requirements, Regulation 2015. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।